welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Today we're heading out with Prestige Events. We are going to go out on a bit of a social distancing crew with all the rally guys. We're all meeting here at the Silverado Shoppers Drug Mart. I think there's going to be about 40 cars today. I see GT3 RS already. There's going to be a Ferrari F430 and a few Lamborghinis. So I think it's going to be a really good turnout. Let's pray for the weather that it's not going to rain, because it looks like it's going to rain and that's not cool. So hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully it holds out. And then we're going to do a 2 to 2.5 hour cruise with ending up at the Big Sky Barbecue House. If you've never been to the Big Sky Barbecue House and you live in Alberta, you've got to go check it out. The food is absolutely incredible. It's so good. You have to. So we'll bring you guys along. We'll go for a little cruise. Looks like one of the Lamborghinis is showing up right now. Here we go. Here we got Jason. Ferrari F430. This thing is incredible. Man, all the leather, the seats are like so comfortable. The magical key, this thing is absolutely beautiful.
You can't do that in here. I want you to leave the parking lot now.
gotta say there's some pretty friggin' nice cars on this social distancing cruise today. Drop a comment, let me know what your guys' favorite was. That Lamborghini clip that you just would have saw was Norm. Go follow his YouTube channel, I Am Cars. I'll drop a link below. He produces some really good content. He's owns a dealership here in Calgary, and he's always doing crazy things with different cars. One of his last videos was he drove over 2 cars with this monster lifted truck. Go give him a follow, check out his channel, really good content, and always bringing out super awesome crazy cars. Made it to Big Sky Barbecue. We are a little bit early. The food isn't going to be ready for probably 40 to 45 minutes, so we'll just hang out, relax. I'll wait for Tammy and the kids, and then we'll get our grub. I can't wait. It's going to be delicious. You guys go and check out Norm's channel. He just did a video on this Gardo. Supercharged.
Wow. Supercharged.
I bet you this sucker goes. What do you guys think? Drop a comment below.
Really? If they kept going faster, they would realize.
Hey, Sean made it. Well, we got our food. I'll put a picture up here. We actually ordered the OMG WTF burger. It's like, it's got pulled pork, brisket, chicken, beans, mac and cheese. It's supposed to have coleslaw, but they ran out of coleslaw, which kind of sucks because I really like their coleslaw, but they didn't have any. And then bread. But I'll post a picture so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It was delicious. I highly recommend it. But now we're going to get back on the road and make our journey all the way home. It's about a 40-minute drive from the Big Sky to our house. Let's take our drive home. I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. It was a lot of fun. It was really nice to get out of the house and be with a bunch of different car people, and it's good to see a lot of familiar faces. It was like being on a rally again, just we had no check stops. So thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace. If you stuck around for the vlog this long, it's now like I'm on a little mini cruise with my wife and kids. They're in the truck in front of us, HQ BMW tow rig, and we're following behind in the X1. Just nice little leisurely cruise on the way home. Nice, peaceful. Pretty nice.